I've been talking about new.space in videos and blogs for quite some time now, and in these bits of content, there's sometimes some nuggets of information about cool secret ways of doing things or some extra pro tips. Today, I've collected a list of 5 things that I think are worthwhile mentioning, and a couple of things I've never mentioned before. Let's get into it. First up, keyboard shortcuts. You can control all of new.space with your keyboard. We've put a lot of effort into ensuring that it's entirely accessible in this manner. Try it out. You can tab to any card, hit space or enter to open it, and use the arrow keys to move around within the detail view. Not only that, but you can also use things like Control or Command A to select all the items in a space. It's a pretty nice way to interact with the cards, and we'll be adding more keyboard shortcuts in the future. Let us know if there are specific actions you'd like to see first. Number 2, adding stuff to a space. Sure, you can add content to a space using the action bar here. It's super straightforward. There's also a cool secret way where you can add a bunch of links at once, and they'll all get added, and it'll even add a text file of all the links that got added. It's a pretty nice way of quickly populating a space if you've got your stuff already ready in another document or another form. Number 3, Wordle cards. I bet none of you knew this, but this one's fun. When Wordle took the Worldle by storm, we were all sharing our scores in a shared chat, and some members of our web team had the great idea to make a custom render for when a Wordle card is pasted in. So this is a really fun way of comparing scores. Try it out. Number 4, deep linking to items. If you click on an item to open its detail view and then open its full screen view, you'll see that the URL changes each time. This URL has information that references this specific view layout, so you can share this URL to a person and they'll be shown this exact same view when they open it. They'll of course have access to the whole space, but it's nevertheless a great way of sharing to the specific item you might be referencing. Number 5, download all. Last but not least is something new. We've listened to a bunch of the feedback and found that downloading all the contents of the space was still a couple 2 clicks too many. You had to select all the items and then hit download. And as a result, we've added a button in the bottom left-hand corner now, where you'll find download all items, which does exactly that. Let us know if this helps speed things up for you. As a bonus 6th tip, I just want to share that you can use new.space by going to new.space. You no longer need the alpha prefix that you needed in the past. At the time of this recording, you still need the access code, but we're rolling those out to members of our community substack. So come on by, check us out, and we'll get you set up with an access code. Until next time, happy sharing.